Hi everyone, it's Kelly Bolton. So the first thing I want to say is I have this microphone here, the one that I had before, I took back, didn't have a stand, so now I have this one. I'm not really a pro with it yet. I'm gonna probably move it to a different position and just kind of figure it out. But I hope that the sound quality is a little bit better with this than the webcam. So if you found this video, you are looking to make money online, maybe you're a beginner, maybe you're interested in posting ads to make money online, or you're a beginner with affiliate marketing. So this video is going to be a little bit different spin than what I usually do. This video is going to be about the email processing system. Now, many of you may know I have been in EPS for like 10 months now. And I've been doing very well with it. It is the very first business that I started doing really well with, and also the very first online business that freed me from my 9-to-5 job. I quit my job in May 2017, nearly 100% with my email processing income. Granted, I was only making like $400 a week with my job, but I made enough just starting out in my first month or two to be able to quit, earning several $100s a week. So I have not made many EPS videos in a while, and that is because I am focusing on other business ventures. I am still in EPS. I'm helping everyone with it. I'm still making updated training for it. And without further ado, before I show you the payment proof, because I just don't really want to jump into the money. A lot of videos do that, and at least me, if I was a prospect, I'd like to know first what the business is, and what the full deal is before, seeing the money. So we're going to jump into the payment proof in a few minutes. But first off, let me just show you this. Now this is a screenshot because I didn't save the diagram, sorry. So instead of being like a little screwing with your mind here, seeing two of me, I'm going to put this right here. Okay, so I have a permanent plan, you guys. I have a permanent plan. Now, this YouTube video is not going to be going over the full permanent plan because in my EPS videos, I just focus on EPS instead of my other ventures. So let me tell you about where EPS fits into the permanent plan. This is the permanent cash flow plan that you see here. I hope you can see it. So EPS is considered an instant pay program because with email processing, when someone goes to your website and purchases, which don't get overwhelmed with that, I build websites for everyone. That's another reason why I started focusing on other ventures as well, because EPS can be time consuming. It is perfect for newbies or perfect for people who are looking for a small ticket, which is, affiliate marketing for something that is cheap to get into. For people looking for a small ticket, or just looking for ways to make a little bit of money on the side, or are completely busted broke but want something that works, EPS is perfect for. But I do encourage people to move into things that have residual income and a little bit more leverage, rather than just stick with EPS forever. But I'm still doing EPS and everything. So email processing is considered an instant pay program. When someone purchases from your website that I make you, it goes instantly to your PayPal or whatever payment processor you're using. So it is considered an instant pay program, and it is part of my permanent cash flow system. Part of it goes to your pocket, and then you need to use part of it towards miscellaneous, for whatever you're doing, like if you're buying traffic for another home business that you're in, or whatever else. Part of it can go to that, or all of it to your pocket. If you're brand new, and you just want to start with an instant pay program, because a lot of people who have seen my EPS videos, I do tell them about, another business that I'm really crazy about. That is one of my main focuses. If you go through my other videos, you'll know what it is, and I tell them about it. I get a lot of people that still just want to start with EPS because they do see EPS as just very newbie friendly, and they want to kind of take it in steps. I'm not sure why people think like that, but that is how some people think. So I have EPS to offer these people because everyone thinks differently, So it is an instant pay program that you can get started in if you're not ready to focus on other businesses. So now that I've kind of showed you a diagram of my permanent cash flow plan, and where my instant pay program, which is email processing, fits into all of that. Now let's go ahead and go into the income proof and a little bit more about the business. So, I used to earn like $400 a day on average just with EPS, but I'm not focusing as hard on EPS, and I'm still earning like $175 per day with it because I just have so many ads out there. With EPS, you're mainly copying, pasting ads on social media. A lot of them are pre-written. So that's mainly what you're doing. You're just copy and pasting it on Facebook, on Instagram, and Craigslist. And I have hundreds of ads out there by now, and they're still converting for me sales on autopilot pretty much on a daily basis. Let me just show you this. So I earned $175 yesterday, $150 the day before that, and then $225 on January 15th. As you can see, it's January 19th now. And then $50, some days will be slower than others. $50 and $175 on January 13th, $250 on January 11th, $225 on January 10th. So I'm still learning very well, even though I'm not highly focusing on it. And just because, just because I feel like doing it, I'm going to log into my payment processor here. Just authorize.net. You can use PayPal. I use PayPal as well. And for the sake of time, I'm not going to log into my PayPal. So we're going to go to transaction statistics just so I can show you what I've earned. Let's see what I've earned in January, just for fun. Okay, so January 1st to yesterday, I'm still earned $3,000 just with EPS. This is all email processing money right here. $3,075 earned since the 1st of January with email processing, and it's not even my main business that I focus on. So the point I'm trying to make to you is EPS is still really solid. People are joining it every day. There's just something they really like about it. People see EPS as easy, which it is. They see it as a way that they can step into the world of making money online and step into the world of affiliate marketing, and lessen that learning curve a little bit and not be overwhelmed. So let me show you my website. Okay, so this is how you get started, and this is how people will get started with you. Now your site's going to look a little bit better than mine, as I've explained in a lot of my videos. I have updated the way that other people's sites look, and I haven't really updated mine. So, some people have told me this site doesn't look that great. Well, the fact of the matter is it's earning me, at least $1,000 every single week on a very part-time basis, and it doesn't even look that great. So regardless if you like the way my site looks or not, that does not change the fact that people are joining me through this website, and people will be joining you through your website. So it's very simple. I have no idea what that was. So it's a very simple business model with the email processing system, okay? You will be copying and pasting pre-written ads on social media, okay? People will be going to your website. It's going to do all the selling and telling for you, okay? Going to show income proof and everything, some team testimonials. These are all current team leaders. Anna, Shane, Michelle, all current team leaders. We sometimes have meetings, and these people are there. They have been part of EPS for several years. EPS has been around for 8 or 9 years, so it just converts. It's just a long-standing, easy-to-operate program on the internet, and that's why people are still joining it. So here's a description of what you will get with each option. And my $100 people, I'm going to give you special access to my team group. It's called my Jumpstart group. That's my coaching group, and I give continuously updated training there. That's just for my $100 people, just for my super serious go-getters. So your site's going to look similar to this, but it's going to look a little bit better. And then you and your people are going to click the Get Started button on the option of your choice. And then it is going to be taken to checkout. You will then go check out. And your site's probably going to be linked to PayPal. Most newbies just start with PayPal. Okay, and that payment, when someone purchases on your website, it is going to go instant to your PayPal account for you to do whatever you want with it. You can transfer it to your bank account. There's a little PayPal debit card that they can give you, and it's free. You can get paid with that. So that's all you're doing. It's simple as that. Email processing is a very easy business. We just post ads on Facebook and Craigslist. And some other places that we tell you. It's all step-by-step training, really good step-by-step video training made by a six-figure successful marketer. And you're also going to get my bonus training too for my $100 people. So this is my Facebook. I just want to show you. This is my Facebook here. See, I got a little banner made of me. It was $5 on Fiverr. So, it doesn't take much money to appear really professional. So you can go to my Facebook. You'll see I'm a real person. You click the message button. You can message me if you want to ask me anything. So I'm just showing some payment proof from one of my other businesses that I'm focusing more on. I made over $2,000 in 24 hours with one business. and that is thanks to paid traffic and just using simple steps. So yeah, with EPS, it's really easy. It's step-by-step video training. Let me just show you my Jumpstart group. So, see, this is my group here that I add all my $100 people, and some people from my other businesses, and you'll be in there too. So I just wanted to show you that. That is it. This is a very easy business. So if you want to get started, you can go to my website, yourwayforfreedom.com. You'll see that is a sales funnel. So my website, yourwayforfreedom.com, is an example of a sales funnel for all you new people that don't know anything. And it's very easy to make. I made that sales funnel with the click of a button because our EPS team has a pre-made sales funnel. So if you wanted that, you could just let me know. I can give you a sales funnel. But the overall core is just this website right here, okay? People are going to be joining you through your website, through the ads that you copy and paste on social media. We do have a high success rate. We have some successful team members, which you'll see in our group, because you're going to be added to our team group. So yeah, if you would like to get started, that's really it. Just go to my website, yourwayforfreedom.com, and I'd be happy to get you started with EPS. This is my #1 most reliable instant pay program, and it's going to be part of my cash flow portfolio out of all the things that I'm doing for quite some time. So I'd love to get you started. Y'all have a nice day.